for this experiment, you need a plumber for a soccer ball or a ball, and that's it. Okay, so you take your plumber and you put it right over here. You close your arm and wait. You first open it and put it over here, right over here, and see. Let's try this again. You put it right over here and yay! Bye.